There is no doubt that the world of cryptocurrency never ceases to astonish us. There are significant claims that the legal dispute between Ripple and the SEC will terminate this month, according to knowledgeable individuals, attorneys, and even the CEO of Ripple. It is possible that this is the purest indication of a bull market ever. As a consequence of this, analysts believe that the price of XRP Ripple might skyrocket to a level of $1,000. Throughout the whole history of cryptocurrencies, there has never been an occurrence quite like this one, and there are those who believe that anyone who has XRP had the potential to become completely wealthy. This is a movie that you simply cannot pass up. Now, without further ado, let's get to the topic without any further bullshit. Thank you very much. In the ongoing conflict between the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC and the rapidly expanding cryptocurrency market, Ripple's XRP has been one of the most significant issues. There has been a lot of interest in the cryptocurrency community as a result of this struggle, and it has also brought to light the legal uncertainties that digital assets are subject to. In a tweet that was sent out not too long ago, Jack the Rippler cited Jeremy Hogan, a well-known attorney who is in favor of XRP. When all is said and done, the SEC does not emerge victorious. This opinion has a great deal of weight among the XRP community, and it represents a broad sense of power and excitement as the court battle unfolds. Let us take it one step at a time, shall we? My head is completely blown by that. As a result of the SEC's decision on June 20th to conclude its investigation into Ethereum, the Ripple XRP case received a greater amount of attention. People are once again discussing this action, particularly in light of the fact that the XRP army is very eager to hear Judge Torres' judgment regarding the penalty and the ultimate decision for the remedies phase. Whether or not the Securities and Exchange Commission will make a challenge to Judge Torres' ruling that XRP is not a security in and of itself is still an important subject. Attorneys and former employees of the Securities and Exchange Commission are becoming increasingly confident that the SEC will not launch an appeal. Due to the fact that they did not wish to undermine the SEC's case in the Second Circuit Court, it is possible that they made the prudent decision. According to Christina Littman, who formerly served as the head of crypto enforcement for the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC, the SEC may choose to leave the Ripple opinion at the district court level rather than taking it to the circuit court lane. As a result, the abrupt move by the SEC to terminate its investigation into Ethereum and write a letter to consensus without any requirement to do so in any way contributed to the increased popularity of the XRP lawsuit. People are seeing this action as a sign that the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC is shifting its focus and maybe becoming less stringent on certain cryptocurrencies. James Murphy, better known as Metalawman, has voiced his disapproval of the Securities and Exchange Commission. According to him, the tokens that were mentioned in the Coinbase case are not considered securities when they are traded on the secondary market. This viewpoint, which was recently supported by a decision that was handed down by the Second Circuit Court. Murphy stated that Judge Torres was correct in his assessment of XRP and suggested that the Securities and Exchange Commission SEC might not appeal the summary decision in order to prevent its regulatory approach from becoming even more muddled. As an additional point of interest, Stuart Alderoty, who serves as the chief legal officer of Ripple, has stated that the SEC's approach to governance is inconsistent. Significant contradictions were brought to light by him, particularly with regard to the manner in which the SEC manages Ethereum transfers and services such as MetaMask and staking. Due to these issues, a significant number of individuals within the cryptocurrency community are dubious. The question that they are interested in is whether or not the fact that Ether is a commodity implies that other proof-of-stake cryptocurrencies such as Solana, Cardano, and Polygon should also be considered commodities. The critique that Alderoty has made comes to light a more significant issue, which is that there are no well-defined guidelines for the regulation of digital assets. The decisions made by the SEC frequently appear to be arbitrary, which contributes to the market's confusion because certain assets are considered to be securities while others are not. However, there are those that are not. Not only does this lack of transparency put a damper on the development of new ideas, but it also causes investors to have less faith in the cryptocurrency market. Ripple and the SEC are now engaged in a legal struggle, and the outcome of this conflict is likely to have significant repercussions for the whole cryptocurrency market. The amount of XRP at stake is not the only thing at play in this scenario. As the hunt for clear standards in the field of digital assets continues, this is a turning moment in the process. This, of course, makes everything even more intriguing than it already was, as there is no other possible explanation for it. Cryptocurrency enthusiasts and industry professionals alike are quite enthusiastic about recent developments that have increased the possibility that XRP Ripple will prevail in its extremely significant legal dispute. XRP is expected to experience growth at a rate that has never been seen before. According to economists, you won't be able to observe the surge that they anticipate coming. Be prepared, because what is going to happen next will definitely take you by surprise. This is the reason why people have had such a positive attitude toward XRP. There were other tweets from prominent members in the Bitcoin community that provided support. XRP Captain teased his followers with XRP breakout loading, while Jack the Rippler predicted that XRP will go through a parabolic pump without any prior warning. These bold assertions demonstrate that people are quite confident that the value of XRP is about to increase in the near future. For the past 10 weeks, Ripple's XRP has maintained a consistent price range of between 50 and 48 cents, despite the fact that the cryptocurrency market as a whole has been experiencing a great deal of volatility. In addition to the prices remaining consistent, there has been an increase in open interest, which has rekindled the excitement of investors. The analysts at CryptoQuant believe that XRP will become a big participant in the world of cryptocurrencies as a result of the large increase in open interest in the cryptocurrency. A significant indication of increased trading activity and investor confidence in future price increases is the fact that this has occurred. An expert at CryptoQuant by the name of Woo Min Kyu brought up this tendency in his discussion. The fact that there is more attention being paid to XRP indicates that there are more deals taking place. Because they believe that prices will continue to rise, investors are beginning to take positions. In accordance with the findings of the market research firm Sentiment, there was a significant amount of short covering taking place among XRP traders, which is consistent with the increase in open interest. It is possible that this short covering could hasten the process of price adjustments, which could serve as a source of rocket fuel for additional price increases. At this point, things start to take an unusual turn. The outlook for the future of XRP is very optimistic, according to technical experts. The Barbie Locked, someone who is well known in the cryptocurrency field, predicted that the price of XRP will increase significantly and that there would be bull runs in the future. Even further, they suggested that investors could amass enormous wealth over the course of several generations. A tweet that she sent out not too long ago stated that she was confident that XRP would reach $600 during the subsequent bull run. In a similar manner, expert Javon Marks brought attention to a bullish divergence pattern that had previously been present in the chart of XRP. Over the course of history, these patterns have resulted in exponential increases. There is a very similar secret bullish divergence that has produced a 62 to 100% increase in the price of XRP in the past, and it is still showing an appearance. As prices move closer to major convergent breakout marks, it appears that there is a high probability that prices will continue to rise. There is a possibility that the price of XRP will increase to $10, $20 or even higher than the majority of people believe it will. Individuals are quite enthusiastic, and the fact that they have high hopes is making them even more so. Words that are perfect for expressing how I feel. 1,000 XRP will make you a millionaire in a very short amount of time. Stay still until the price of each coin reaches $1,000. Despite the fact that this may appear to be an unduly optimistic estimate, it demonstrates how much the XRP community believes in the potential of the platform. As the legal battles that Ripple is engaged in draw closer to a close, the prospects for the future of XRP continue to improve.